Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to this final 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. Taking a look at today's chart, you see we've got Nike up, ticker symbol NKE. This is about a $41 billion consumer discretionary company. I really like this chart. Coming off of the August lows, you can see that Nike ran from $68 all the way up to $92 prior to its earnings. So I think a lot of good news was really built into the stock. They came out with a decent report, but because the stock had risen from 68 to 92, a lot of the good news was already built into the price. So it was a buy on the rumor, sell on the news type of mentality. And over the last week and a half, you can see we've been drifting lower, heading back down and testing or coming close to testing the 50-day moving average. And you can see that was a very strong entry point back in mid-November when Nike did the same thing. So we've had a really strong move up here over the last 3 or 4 months. You can see volume trends pretty strong. Only a couple of big volume red candlesticks, and in my opinion, no harm was done technically when we saw that kind of volume because we never lost major price support. Right now, you can see the breakout in November occurred above $84. So we've got very good price support at about 84. We came down and tested that area in late November when we also tested the 20-day moving average, and then we bounced. And with earnings, we gapped back beneath the 20-day, but we have yet to lose the 50-day. So I actually like Nike for entry from the 50-day moving average, which is currently at 84.91, down to price support, which is at $84. Now, you could keep a very tight stop on any close below $84, or if you want to give it more room, you can take a look at these multiple bottoms down at about $80. I think from an intermediate term perspective, if Nike were to go down and lose $80, I don't think that would bode well for the stock down the road. I don't expect to see it go down that far, though, and I'd look for Nike to make a turn here somewhere between either at the 50-day moving average or maybe somewhere between there and price support at about 84. Notice also that during this entire uptrend, every time the RSI has fallen back down into this 40 to 50 range, Nike has been a pretty strong buy. Right now, we've got RSI again back in the mid 40s. We've got stochastics, the most oversold that we've seen them since back in early July. So the combination of being in the uptrend, but having pulled back to key support levels, support zones, price support levels, moving averages, and we're now approaching the MACD center line here as well. All of this indicates that at least from a reward to risk standpoint, Nike makes a lot of sense at this level. I do want to wish everybody a very happy new year. Please be safe, and we look forward to guiding you throughout 2011. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at investedcentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.